Cashy, people talk about the economy all the time, but nobody explains it clearly. That's because the economy sounds complex, but it's actually very simple. So the economy isn't just about governments and big companies? The economy affects your daily life more than you think. Is that why prices keep going up everywhere? Yes, that's inflation quietly reducing your buying power. So my money is losing value without me doing anything? Exactly. Time works against money that stays still. So saving alone isn't enough anymore? Saving protects you, but investing helps you keep up. Is that why people invest in the stock market? Yes, investing helps your money grow faster than inflation. But the news always makes the market look dangerous. News focuses on short-term noise, not long-term reality. So fear comes from misunderstanding what's happening? Fear grows when people don't understand how systems work. That explains why many people avoid investing completely. Ironically, avoiding investing can be the riskiest decision. Because inflation keeps moving no matter what? Exactly. Inflation never pauses or waits for permission. So time plays a big role in all of this. Time is the most powerful factor in building wealth. Even small investments can make a difference over time. Small, consistent actions always beat big random decisions. So daily spending habits really matter. Daily habits shape your financial future more than income. Does the economy affect debt too? Yes, interest rates decide how expensive debt becomes. So bad timing can make debt worse. That's why understanding the economy protects your decisions. So financial education is really economic awareness. Exactly. Knowledge is financial protection. Then panic is the real enemy. Panic leads to bad decisions at the worst times. So planning ahead changes everything. Planning turns uncertainty into manageable steps. That makes money feel less stressful. Because clarity always reduces stress. So learning about the economy is worth the effort. It pays off for the rest of your life. That changes how people see money. And how they prepare for the future. So the economy isn't something to fear. It's something to understand and respect. Understanding creates confidence. And confidence builds wealth. Next episode, should we talk about protecting money? That's the smart next step. Because the economy never stops changing. But prepared people always stay ahead.